So for 2022 Valentine's, I decided to surprise my wife to a trip to Paris on business class with American Airlines, flying from JFK all the way to Paris. So this trip was really great. So we wanted to be able to review this and also just show you what we did while we were in Paris. So this is part one, which is the flight to Paris. So stick around as we review American Airlines business class. So our journey started up at RDU, where we saw at the airport the travel start picking up a little bit. We are flying today to Paris, and I'm here with this lady here. She's over there, she's in the meeting, but we're heading over to Paris right now. First flight to New York, and then New York to Paris. Hope you get to enjoy this video as we travel to Paris, France for Valentine. So the first part of this video will be us flying to JFK, and then the second part will be actually the business class from JFK to Paris. So right now we're gonna go to the lounge here in Raleigh Durham for the Admirals Club, and then we're gonna have access to the flagship lounge in New York. If you've been following us for a while now, you should know that when we travel, we do have access to the lounge. We have a video specifically showing how you can get access to lounge when you travel. So I'll link the video below and you can be able to check that video out. It was time for us to board to our quick short flight to New York City. We were also flying first class or domestic first class, and this was a really quick and short trip to New York City.
As an additional safety reminder in the unlikely event that oxygen.
We would like to welcome newcomers to our channel and thank those who have been with us since the beginning. We are the Panzo family on our channel. We showcase our love for travel, food, and our family adventures. We provide travel tips and hacks on how you can be able to save money and time so you can maximize your travel. If this is something that interests you, please consider subscribing. So we just arrived in New York, heading to the flagship lounge. When we travel, we love visiting the flagship lounge, especially this one here at JFK. It just does not disappoint. We actually have a video on our channel showing this lounge to its fullest. So if you're ever traveling business class, please give this lounge a visit if you are at JFK. Ready to go board, right, young lady? Ready to go. 7 hours and then we're gonna be in Paradis. So we just left the lounge and now we're heading to our gate. Leaving here out of gate 6 in terminal 8. And then it's gonna be about 7 hours until we get there. Once we depart, hopefully we can get some sleep on the plane. If not, we'll be like zombies tomorrow. Ready to go. Yeah. So one thing I forgot to mention in the beginning is that I actually did not tell my wife we were flying business class. So she was very suspicious of that. So the whole time I was trying to keep it away her from knowing this, but eventually she discovered. So that's why she's actually recording me, because she knows that something is about to happen. So just watch what happens afterwards. Sorry, hi. 7. Oh, I knew that was the case.
Oh my God, you're bad.
Oh my
You're
bad, right here.
bad.
So our flight configuration is actually forward facing and backward facing. So depending on which row you're in. So 7A was backward facing. Are you surprised? Isn't that beautiful? I know. I know you have.
You know how I've been suspicious?
How? So I'm right here sitting on my seat here. This is seat 7A. I didn't know it was going to be full backward facing. I thought it was going to be the same thing. So this is similar configuration that we had when we traveled to Tokyo. So this is really amazing. So I'm sitting here on the 7A and my wife is sitting on the 7L. We can actually see each other, which is really good. So far so good. And then I'll share with you guys how this space looks like in a second. She's still shocked. So please, I'll take this one here. Thank you. No. Yeah, we'll call you guys when you're going to school tomorrow, okay? So right now we're boarded and we're getting ready to push back. So we're just waiting for a couple of things to be taken care of back there. And then we're going to be on our way to Paris. And it's going to take us about 7 hours to get there. So we're really excited to be there.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome aboard American Airlines Flight 44, now serving Paris. Our flight time is going to be 6 hours and 11 minutes at an altitude of 37,000 feet. The weather currently in the Paris area is clear, temperature 39 Fahrenheit and 4 Celsius.
As we wait for takeoff, let's get familiarized with what we have around us. So you get a pillow and a blanket, also with the headphones. And on the chair, there's a controller for the seat, and then also there's a controller for the entertainment center. There's a bottle of water they're giving to you, and then you also have a power outlet, both USB and regular. And then also the entertainment center is really great. A little bit on the in-flight entertainment coming up shortly. And for the amenity kit, it is the amenity kit that they give to you on the business class for American Airlines flights. You've seen that on the other flights. So on this one, I did not really record. So let's review the bathroom. This bathroom was a little bit narrower in comparison to the other business class flights I've taken, but they will give you all the amenities that you need for the bathroom. And then if you're traveling with kids as well, there's also space for you to change the kids or change the diaper. So anyways, overall the bathroom gets, for me, I'll say 7 out of 10. And this is just because it's very narrow. So I'm not sure about the other bathrooms if they were wide as well. So anyways, let's go back for dinner time. So for the actual entertainment, so you have this, and there's there. So the entertainment on the flight is not too bad. There's a lot of selections for it, but the only thing there's sometimes is finicky that you can't really push it to the right movie side. So that's the only complaint about the entertainment center. So right now they just started the service. We're gonna see how that turns out to be. We already pre-ordered our meals before getting on the plane, so we should be able to get all of the stuff that we wanted. And the other thing is my actual seat that I was there, 7A, it wasn't reclining and it wasn't working well, so I had to move permanently here on 8A, and this is 8A seat is actually forward facing.
Thank you. You're very welcome.
So we just finished our meal service, and now I'm going to get some sleep and then be ready for when we arrive. So we've got about 5 hours, I think, or 4.5 hours left on the flight. So I'm going to go to sleep right now and then wake up in a few hours. So we're on our way on a descent to Paris right now. I got some sleep. I got about 4 hours of sleep, and then after that they served the breakfast. Overall, I think it was over a great flight. The flight attendant, they were very attentive, very nice, friendly. So that's a plus. The only downside is that the aircraft is getting a little bit old. I mean, you can see it's showing its age just on the things that on the chairs that are falling apart or not reclining properly. I think it's getting old. Maybe it needs to be retrofitted to a new one. So, but overall, great flight. We're about to get to Paris. We're arriving about 30 to 40 minutes earlier. So overall, so good.
Thank you. Here's the bird that we took. Huge bird.
Just landed. We're now here in Paris. Gonna go and grab our transportation and head to the hotel. Yes, I do have it. So we've made it. We're now have gone through immigration and have gone through control. So we're here. We've arrived. So we just finished getting our ticket. So you get the ticket from there for you to be able to go to the city. And the ticket is only about 53 euros per person. And then from here, you're gonna go straight this way, where you're actually gonna go to take the train. We got our tickets. Now on to our way to catch the train to Paris. The second time I came to Paris and I'm not driving. So we're now having breakfast. Just arrived. Right, we're here having breakfast. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching us traveling with American Airlines on their business class from New York to Paris. If you enjoy watching this video, be sure to hit the like button and make sure that you share this video with a lot of friends. See you on the next video.